Hello friends, today we are going to learn Cartesian number plane as well as how to find out x-axis in a Cartesian number plane, y-axis in a Cartesian number plane, and then we will learn how to plot coordinates on a number plane. So friends, here you can see a graph. Okay, now Cartesian plane is defined as a two-dimensional coordinate plane, okay, which is formed when x-axis and y-axis intersects each other. Now let's find out what is x-axis and what is y-axis. Now you can see I'm marking some red colors in the horizontal line. This is x-axis. Now you can see I am also marking some lines in the vertical column. This is y-axis. So y-axis is always vertical, whereas x-axis is always horizontal. Now you will also find that x-axis and y-axis intersect perpendicular to each other at a point, and that point is called as origin. Now this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and this is the point where they are intersecting, and this is called origin. Now coordinates on the number plane is always defined as point x, y, where x is the point on the x-axis. Now I'm marking x-axis. Now in this x-axis, this is positive, this is negative. Now y is the point on the y-axis. Now I'm marking the y-axis positive side and y-axis negative side. Now let's revise again, which is x-axis and which is y-axis. Now this is x-axis and positive side, and this is x-axis negative side. Now this is y-axis positive side and this is y-axis negative side. Clear? Now we have clearly understood what is Cartesian number plane, what is origin, what is x-axis and what is y-axis. Now the time has come to solve some problems. Let's plot some coordinates on a number plane and let's see how it looks like. So friends, now let's solve this problem. It says plot the below mentioned coordinates on a number plane. Question number 1 is point A 1, 4. Question number 2 is point B, which is -2, -5. So let's plot the first question, which is point A is 1, 4, x and y, x is 1 and y is 4. Now x, y is equal to 1, 4. So this is x-axis and we have to find out the point 1. So this is x-axis, point 1, and this is y-axis. In this y-axis we have to find out the point 4. This is y-axis, point 4. Now join the lines. Now once you join the line, the point which I am marking is point A. Point A is nothing but 1, 4. Now let's solve the second question, which is point B, -2 and -5. So this is in the negative side of x and y coordinate. This is a little bit a different kind of question. So let's try this. So now let's plot x, y is equal to -2, -5. So this is x-axis negative side. Let's find out where is -2. So this point is x-axis -2 and this is y-axis negative side. So in this negative side we have to find out y is equal to -5. So this point is y is equal to -5. Now let's draw the line. Now this point which I am marking with dots is point B, which is -2 and minus 5. So friends, what we learned today? We learned Cartesian number plane, and then x-axis positive side, negative side, y-axis positive side, negative side, and also we learned how to plot coordinates on a number plane. Thank you friends. If you like the video, please click on the subscribe and the bell button, and if you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thank you.